Hello, good morning student. Standard 7, chapter number 16, water. Okay. First we will solve textbook exercise. First question, true or false. The fresh water stored in the ground is much more than that present in the river and lake of the world. Answer is true. Water shortage is a problem faced only by people living in the rural areas. Answer is false. C. Water from the river is the only source for irrigation in the field. False. Rain is the ultimate source of water. True. Okay, first question completed. Then question number second. 1 minute. Then question number second. Explain how groundwater is recharged. The rainwater and water from other sources such as river and ponds seep through the soil and fill the empty spaces, cracks deep below the ground. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. The groundwater thus get recharged by this process. Okay. Question number third. There are 10 tube wells in a lane of 50 houses. What could be the long-term impact on water table? If 10 tube wells in a lane of 50 houses are situated, the groundwater will get used for the domestic purpose. This result in depletion of groundwater level and water table would go down. 1 minute. Ground water level and water table would go down. ओके यहाँ तक कंप्लीट हो गया है. वीडियो पॉज करके आप आंसर लिख सकते हैं. देन आफ्टर नेक्स्ट पेज you have been asked to maintain a garden. How will you minimize the use of water? We can reduce the uses of water for gardening by adopting drip irrigation method. In this method, water will reach the root of the plant drop by drop, which will reduce the wastage of water. Okay. Now question number 5. Explain the factors responsible for the depletion of water table. Factor responsible for the depletion of the water table are as follows. Increase in population lead to increased demand for the water for domestic and drinking purpose. This reduces the water table. Second, industrialization. Industry need a lot of water for manufacturing purpose. This reduces the water table. Third, agriculture. Agriculture require a lot of water for growing crops. This result in depletion of water table. देन आफ्टर फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हैं जो कि क्लास में करवा दी गए हैं. ओके. पीपल ऑब्टेन ग्राउंड वाटर थ्रू द ट्यूबवेल्स एंड हैंड पम्प्स. 3 forms of the water are ice, water and vapor. The water bearing layer of the earth is by hydrosphere. The process of water seepage into the ground is called infiltration. Then after next, which one of the following is not responsible for? Answer is heavy rainfall. Next, choose the correct answer. In the lakes and rivers of the world remain the constant. The total water इसमें आंसर फाइंड करेंगे आप क्या है. ओके. इट्स योर होमवर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का आंसर आप फाइंड करेंगे. देन मेक ए स्केच शोइंग ग्राउंड वाटर एंड वाटर टेबल. यहाँ पर आपको ये डायग्राम जो आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में भी है वाटर टेबल का, ग्राउंड वाटर एंड वाटर टेबल, ये डायग्राम आपको ड्रॉ करना है. देन आफ्टर एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन MCQ. द ग्राउंड वाटर बियरिंग द लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ विच इज बिलो द वाटर टेबल इज एक्वीफर. द गैसेज surrounded by the earth is atmosphere. Water and forest are renewable resources. The traditional way of collecting water was bawdis. People obtain groundwater through both A and C. Now match the following. Upper limit water table. Seeping of water, infiltration. Purest form rainwater. Conservation of water by planting more trees. Next question, what is rainwater harvesting? Most of the water that we get as rainfall just flows away. This is a waste of precious natural resources. Rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. This is referred to as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting. Next question is, explain 3 forms of water that exist in nature. Water exists in 3 forms: solid, liquid and vapor. The solid form form snow and ice is present as ice caps at the poles of the earth, snow covered mountains and glacier. Liquid water is present in the ocean, lake and river. Even underground the gases form in the water vapor present in the air around us. Last question is list some method of the conserve water. Method to the conserve water are repairing leaking supply pipes and tape, judicially using water while brushing teeth, shaving, bathing, washing and during many other activities, water harvesting and drip irrigation. Okay student, here your textbook exercise is finished here. Okay, तो आपको कंप्लीट कर लेना है ये चैप्टर. ओके, बाय.